Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you the perk system on Cyberpunk 2077. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So once you're playing Cyberpunk and you reached a certain point in your gameplay, you'll be able to upgrade your character stats using some perk points that you collect while you play. In order to use them, what you need to do is just click on hit the I button, which should open up a menu looking just like this. And here we are going to go over on our character. Here, as you can see, we have a bunch of options like body, reflexes, technical ability, intelligence, cool. As you can see right here on this yellow writing, it displays the amount of purple points that you got, and you can choose one of these options in order to invest them, like investing in your body, which opens up this menu, investing in your reflexes, and it's all up to you what you want to invest in. For example, if I want to invest in this perk right here, I just got to hold F and now I have acquired it. So guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.